Right now, literally as you're watching this explainer, a company somewhere just quietly let go of an entire department. And look, it's not because the economy crashed, and it's definitely not because their profits are down. It's because they found a new kind of worker. One that doesn't sleep, never asks for a raise, and costs less than a cup of coffee per hour. We are witnessing a massive, silent shift happening inside corporate offices globally right now. Entire human teams are being completely replaced by artificial intelligence. So that brings us to a pretty stark, unavoidable question that we all have to face. Would your job survive the next 5 years? I know, it's a terrifying thought, right? The anxiety surrounding this whole thing is very, very real. But hey, do not panic just yet, because by the end of this explainer, I am going to give you the exact survival blueprint to help you transition from a vulnerable employee into an absolute indispensable AI manager. Okay, let's dive right into section 1, the silent AI replacement and the end of the so-called co-pilot era. You know, for the last few years, we've basically been conditioned to think of AI as this friendly little co-pilot that's just trying to help you draft your emails a bit faster. But let me tell you, that era is officially over. We were sold this really comforting myth that AI was just a tool to make your daily grind easier. But the reality? Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have totally shifted the goalposts. They aren't building assistants anymore. They are building true, fully functioning digital workforces. AI is now stepping in as an autonomous employee that is completely capable of taking over the workload of entire human teams. And the shift? It's happening out there in the real world right now. But it's not always through those huge headline-grabbing mass layoffs. It's happening through a playbook I like to call the quiet replacement. Get this. 30% of US companies have already replaced jobs with AI, and a staggering 37% are planning even more replacements by the end of 2026. So how exactly are they pulling this off? Mostly through hiring freezes. When a human leaves a role, they simply aren't replaced. Instead, their entire workload is just seamlessly absorbed by AI. It's this completely invisible, silent consolidation of corporate roles. Moving on to section 2, the corporate AI playbook and the incredibly harsh math of automation. To really grasp the speed and the massive scale of this transition, we kind of need to strip away our own emotions and look at the brutal math straight from a CEO's perspective. Let's just take the number $350,000. That is roughly what it costs a company to employ a human team of 5 data analysts or, say, customer support reps for a single year, once you factor in salaries, healthcare benefits, and office space. But then, picture a CEO looking at enterprise AI agent licenses. They suddenly realize that an autonomous AI network can execute the exact same volume of work with zero friction, zero sick days, and absolutely zero complaints for a mere fraction of that cost. The financial incentive to automate is just overwhelming. And look, this isn't just theory or speculation. Just listen to this quote from Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg. AI tools now let one talented employee accomplish what previously required large teams. Meta has actually been flattening its corporate structure and pouring money into what they call AI-native pods. Frankly, this massive shift was a huge driver behind their recent layoffs of roughly 10% of their workforce. Think about that. One person powered by AI is literally taking the place of entire departments. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, I've got years to prepare for this, you need to hear this prediction from Mustafa Suleyman, the CEO of Microsoft AI. He predicts AI is going to reach human-level performance on most professional desk tasks within 12 to 18 months. Guys, that's practically next year. We're talking about accounting, legal work, marketing, and really complex project management, all being mastered by digital workers in less than 2 years. The urgency here is incredibly real. Which brings us right to section 3, industries falling to AI, or basically the collapse of traditional white-collar work. Let's keep this fast-paced energy going and break down exactly which middle management sectors are collapsing first, because the data is absolutely staggering. In coding, AI is already writing over 30% of code and providing instant debugging. The real-world impact of that? Startups are running perfectly fine with 80% smaller teams than they were just 2 years ago. In marketing, AI is out there generating copy, editing video, and running entire ad campaigns autonomously, meaning you really just need one AI operator, not a full creative team. And customer support? Oh man, massive human teams are being fully replaced by 24/7 multilingual voice and chat agents. In fact, an astonishing 73% of startup founders say they plan to replace at least half of their entire team with AI tools by 2026. To put that into perspective, the flagship example of this trend is Salesforce and their Agentforce platform. Previously, they employed about 9,000 human support reps. But now, that number has dropped down to 5,000. Why? Simply because autonomous AI now handles 50% of all customer interactions, and it does it with comparable customer satisfaction. That massive leap in AI capability resulted in roughly 4,000 human roles being cut. The AI isn't just assisting them anymore, it has actively replaced them. All right, Section 4, Rise of Autonomous Agents. Say hello to your new digital subordinates. So, the scariest and honestly most transformative part of this entire shift is the evolution from simple chatbots over to what's called agentic AI. These are systems that don't just sit there twiddling their digital thumbs waiting to answer your text prompt. They actually complete multi-step goals entirely autonomously. They use tools, they browse the web, they integrate directly with your corporate CRM and email software. These digital employees research topics, send outreach emails, and even book meetings on their own, 24 hours a day without ever taking a break. And that leads us directly to this completely staggering equation. 1 human equals 1,000 AI. What we are witnessing right now is a massive, unprecedented consolidation of power and efficiency. In this new economy, a single human operator can literally run a multi-million-dollar operation entirely by themselves because their whole team of subordinates consists of autonomous, highly efficient AI agents. Leverage has basically become absolutely everything. Which brings us to Section 5, the AI Survival Blueprint, exactly how you can adapt and thrive. So here is the crucial point for us today. How do you make sure you aren't the person packing up your desk in a cardboard box? This is where we shift from anxiety to total empowerment. This is your personal strategy to thrive in the new digital workforce. The future doesn't belong to pure humans, and it doesn't belong to pure AI either. It belongs to the hybrid worker known as the centaur. A centaur is someone who combines massive AI computational power with the truly irreplaceable traits of human judgment, creative problem solving, and relationship building. Listen, you literally cannot compete against AI on sheer output or speed anymore. You have to leverage it. You have to become the centaur to survive. And your exact roadmap to getting there is mastering the AI manager's skill set. You need to focus on system architecture, AI orchestration, and prompt logic. The highest paid individuals over this next decade are not going to be the ones doing the granular day-to-day tasks. They are going to be the managers who know how to architect systems and chain together AI employees to achieve complex business goals. You literally have to stop learning how to do the job and start learning how to manage the AI that does it. Which brings us to one final, really provocative thought to leave you with today. What is the one profession you think AI can never replace? I want you to head down to the comments right now and give me your answer. We are building a highly engaging community of focused learners right here. And to survive this massive technological shift and stay ahead of the AI curve, you have to stay informed. So please, drop a like on this explainer, hit that subscribe button to join the channel, and make sure you're ready for the future of work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.